Hello everyone, this is my review of the Ryobi One Plus 6-inch mini chainsaw. Right out of the box, it felt lightweight, comfortable to hold, and super easy to operate. The chain does need occasional adjusting, especially after the first few uses, but it's simple to tighten. I also really like the built-in safety features like the hand guard and the handed start, which add a layer of confidence when using it. I will be using it to trim small branches and clear out some overgrown brush around my fence line. For its size, it packs a surprising amount of power. Since I already use Ryobi tools, I had a battery ready to go. It snapped right in and I was ready to cut in just seconds. If you're looking for a compact, cordless chainsaw that's perfect for homeowners or light-duty work, this is the one to get. It's well built, reliable, and makes yard cleanup faster and easier. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.